No. It's time. Time will erase everything.
It's all very magical.
Well, that's new.
We need to talk.
The world's about two things: power and control.
What am I supposed to do?